So you've been doing a few videos recently. What's brought that on?
Well, a few things, really.
Time is now, man.
Time is now.
That's why.
Also, I feel more at ease with myself because making YouTube videos and supporting the YouTube scene and being a general fan of self-production and prosumerism, I felt it was only natural that I kind of stand by my beliefs.
Oh yeah, man.
Oh yeah.
So what's this video about today? What, Tommy?
Don't know. Kind of about what breakthroughs I'm excited about there being in technology, and how I think that'll have some sort of impact on the world. Getting space, man. Getting space sooner than people think. But you talk to people and they're what they think the time scale that we're talking about with these things. They say like, oh yeah, well we might get to another planet in the next 100 years. That's Tommy Dodd said that, and like, you can't know about what's going on in the world at the moment, technology wise, and still think that it's going to be 100 years. Like, with this carbon nanotubes, they're tiny. They've got them that are like, I can't remember how tall they've got them.
What's a carbon nanotube?
It's an arrangement of carbon atoms to form a crystalline structure, but so it's very efficient with how it's connected. So it's only a few atoms thick, but it has the bonding, is fully coherently bonded. All the atoms. What is it? 12. They've got 12. I think of it like a mine almost, like a sphere with spikes out of it, and each one of those spikes, if they're all satisfied, then it's as bonded to the next molecule as it can be. And they've got them so they're just like, they have to build them one atom at a time, like knitting.
Wow.
Atoms. And they've got them so they're I think they're almost visible, but they need to get them to a length where they can use them, like they can intertwine them.
Or what they can do then?
If they could just, well, basically, if they could build them atom upon atom, then it would be thinner than your hair, but it would be stronger than, like spider's web is supposed to be 7 times stronger than steel, and this stuff is supposed to be like almost like diamond, but as you know how strong carbon fibre is. Well, it's basically that sort of quality of bonding, but like atoms thick. So you could build an elevator to space. That's the plan. Is that there's I should get some facts, but there's this prize basically. The first person who could build them to a certain length gets this prize, which is like a few million, which is probably going to be like a fraction of what they've cost in development to do it. But it's about the fact that once they've got that bit of technology, just straight away we can build an elevator to space. Pretty much. Have a geostationary satellite, like the they could just do it up to the International Space Station or something, and just build another one. Because once you've got it there, once you've got it to space, then the cost of sending things up there goes from like $76,000 a kilogram to like 7. I don't know, like one of those numbers. It's definitely down to 7. But I don't know what the big number is. So you can just take anything up there, and the second we can do that, then we just have to build like a base, and then we can go to other planets, no problem. It's like you get in the car, just jump in the elevator, go to space, jump in a little space rocket, go Mars, visit your nan.
Would you send your nan to Mars?
She's there in her mind at the moment anyway. Stop now.
Cut.
I wasn't filming that.